a good year. Okay. All right, this is the last one, I hope. City of Wyandotte versus Tyron Gray, 231439.
Your Honor, good afternoon. Richard T. Serrano, PC382. I appear today with Mr. Gray, appears to my right, for ready pre-trial. Please state your name, sir.
Tyler voice said Greg Singh.
Okay, good afternoon. I apologize. Okay, I like your shirt actually. I remember the bad boys. Okay, so counsel adds to the arraignment.
Your Honor, explain to his constitutional rights, also the nature of the charge against him, thereby we waive formal reading, stand mute.
Or wait from a reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment and ask the pretrial counsel.
Your Honor, my client was to avail himself of the offer made by the prosecutor and that he will plead guilty to the amended charge and count of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle. He's been advised of what that entails. He understands the possible consequences, be it from this court or any administrative agency. He's willing to go forward with the plea.
All right, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear from the testimony about to give this man the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? I'm sorry?
Yes.
Okay, all right, and you heard the plea that your attorney placed on the record. And as to the amended charge of allowing a licensed driver to drive, how do you plead? Sorry?
Guilty.
Okay, and you. Oh, there's nobody sign these. Not the second one. Okay, and okay. And I'm sorry. You understand your rights, correct? You understand by entering into plea to be waiving some of those rights, specifically your trial and appellate rights. And you also understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, whether in this court or any other court or administrative agency. And knowing all that, you still want to continue with your plea. Has anybody promised or anything, threatened you or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, and counsel, if you can please order your client.
Mr. Gray, on June 13, 2023, were you operating a motor vehicle in the city of Wyandotte?
Yes, sir.
And upon you being stopped by the police officer, did he or she ask you for a valid Michigan operator's license?
Yes, sir.
Did you have one to give the officer?
No, sir.
And did you in fact allow yourself to operate that motor vehicle in the city of Wyandotte when you were not licensed? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the amended charges from the original charge per the plea agreement and ask the sentencing counsel.
Your Honor, my client tells me he's not on probation or parole anywhere. He said he has one matter, where was it, Ohio?
Yes.
There's one matter pending in Ohio, a traffic violation that has to get cleared up before he's eligible to reapply here, so.
And they said I was present, I can talk about the phone.
It's me in person.
Yes.
Yes, it's in person, not Zoom. He's married, Your Honor. He supports 7 children at home, all with him. He has a total of 11 children. And Your Honor, he works as a steel worker, and he's been employed in that full-time position. So I think fines and costs would be appropriate in this situation, Your Honor, but I leave it to the court's discretion.
Be real with me, sir. How'd you get here today?
My wife.
Where's your wife?
She's at the dollar store.
Pointing that way. What dollar store is that way?
I don't know if I'm at the side or the dollar store by the recreation center. I stay right around the corner.
Oh, yeah, what's that way?
You didn't drive here today.
Right around the corner. You're not in Wyandotte.
No, yeah, I'm in my.
Hold on, let me update. Let me,
6, 11.
okay, hold on. Let me,
You have a current address, Your Honor?
oh, yeah, well, that's what I'm gonna check. Oh, yeah, there's a new address. Okay. I will make that change. We have your address in Lincoln Park. That's why everybody has a different definition with around the corner or down the street. So that's why I looked and I was slightly confused as to how that was around the corner, but okay. And when are you taking care of your matter in Ohio, sir?
Honestly, when my wife can get a day off work, and because she's the licensed driver.
I can't understand, I can't hear what you're
My
saying.
wife get a day, when she can get a day off work, she's the licensed driver, and she's gonna drive me down there. But then we have to get a reliable car to make it there.
He's not gonna drive without a valid license, is that correct, Mr. Gray?
Right, so. And where on June 13th was it that you had to absolutely drive?
Honestly, Your Honor, I work midnights, and I work in Farmers and Hills. That's my only finance, for the past years that I've been working, and I had to work. My wife, she worked the same hours, and I took a chance.
Okay, sir, I'm a little bit confused. You indicate you're single, married, and divorced.
Yes.
Well,
Well, not divorced. I'm single and we're working on our marriage to avoid a divorce. Did I put divorce down there?
wait a second. Hold on. You're either married or you're not. You can't be single and married.
Yeah, you can.
That's another subject totally, not this court.
Well, put it like this, y'all.
I don't know if I can bring power to that.
Let me say it more clear.
You're still married, right?
I'm still married and we're together, but we're not mixing in a mix or anything like that. We're trying to work our marriage out.
You still take care of those kids, though, right?
That's what with or without her.
Okay, so you have 11 minor children?
Yes. I have 9 grown children, and I have 3 little children.
How stable?
Well, that's 12. Is it 9 plus 3, 12?
I have 9, yeah, 12. That's the total I have.
Oh, I thought it was 11.
That's right. Total I
You
have.
wrote 11, sir.
Who?
You wrote 11.
I wrote 11? Well, I
On the same form that you checked that you were single, married, and divorced.
Yeah, I have 12. I have 12. I have 9 adults and 3 other children. Look it up.
Oh, no.
I got my last name, all that.
But, how old are your children?
Starting from 29, 28, 27, 24, 23, 22, and then the rest of them is 10, 8, 7.
Oh, you have a little bit of a gap there. There's a little bit of an age gap there. And these are all the children with your wife?
7 of them.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a lot. That's a lot to handle. So you're separated, but you're married, but you're kind of estranged.
We got to be feeling guilty.
Why? No. I'm just trying to understand because I looked at that document and I haven't seen anybody ever.
Put it like this, I'm married and we're working on it.
Got it.
I apologize.
The court has a family
I apologize.
law
for saying
background, Mr. Gray, so you can identify what you're saying.
I apologize.
You don't have to feel bad. I'm just trying to figure it out. So, well, you need to get your license sooner than later.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. The court's going to indicate a $200 fine, $200 cost, crime victim assessment fee of $75, justice system assessment fee of $50, $525 total. Sir, you're the last case, so don't worry. They're going to be watching to make sure you're not driving out of the parking lot.
No problem.
I'll make sure you're not.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem at all.
Okay.
But do you have time to pay, Your Honor?
Yes. When can you make that payment, sir?
Monthly, or do you want to pay it once? A monthly payment, Your Honor, $100, is that all right, Mr. Gray? $100 a month, can you handle that? Okay,
What date of the month?
Like toward the end.
Can you begin this on September 22nd?
Whatever day I get paid on the Monday. So,
you're the end of the
I don't
month.
know when you get paid.
no, I said whatever day I get paid on the Monday.
You want it to be on a
Make it
Monday?
Monday at the end of the month.
September 25th is the last Monday of the month. Okay. All right. You can stop at the window so you can get the online payment information, sir, unless you just want to walk up here, that's fine. But, okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
all right, thank you, go back to you. Okay. And so I think that completes our docket. We're off the record.
Thank you.